Good day to all of you. Myself, Savant Ajay Kumar Bhaskar, Assistant Professor of Farm Machinery and Power Engineering Department at Shiv Shankar College of Agriculture Engineering, Mirasgaon, affiliated by Mahatma Phule Krishi Vidyapit Rahuri. So, today I am delivering lecture on engine cycle. The engine cycle consists of auto cycle and diesel cycle. Now, let's see one by one. It consists of 4-stroke cycle and 2-stroke cycle. So, what is meant by 4-stroke cycle? A 4-stroke cycle experiences 4 piston movement over 2 engine revolution for each cycle. Is nothing but as a 4 cycle. Next one is a 2-stroke cycle. A 2-stroke cycle has 2 piston movements over 1 revolution for each cycle. So we'll see the details of 4-stroke cycle engine. So in 4-stroke cycle engine, it consists of 4 stroke, that is intake, compression, power and exhaust stroke. So let's see one by one. Intake stroke. Piston moves from top dead center to the bottom dead center. What is meant by top dead center? Top dead center means the position of piston at the top level is called as the top dead center, and the position of piston is at the bottom level is called as a bottom dead center. So air and fuel mixture will be taken inside during the intake stroke. In that time, intake hole is open and exhaust hole is closed. We will see how this procedure as well as how this intake hole and exhaust hole are to be open as well as closed by using the diagrammatically. So see here, in this red line indicate the inlet hole open, this yellow indicate the exhaust hole is closed. This one is the total diagrammatical representation of intake stroke. This one is the piston, this one is the intake hole, this one is the exhaust hole. See here also, during the intake stroke, piston is at the down section, that means it will be coming to the down section. See here, this one is the same as like inlet hole is open, exhaust hole is closed, piston is going to the downward, fuel is taken inside. That means during the intake stroke we will be taken the air as well as the petrol mixture from the inlet hole in case of petrol engine. In case of diesel engine, we will only take the air during the intake stroke. Okay. So next one is the compression stroke. This one is the second stroke. So during this stroke, compression stroke consists of piston traveling back up. In case of compression stroke, both the intake hole and exhaust holes are to be closed. So we have seen the example in case of intake stroke, that is only inlet hole is open, exhaust hole is closed. But in case of compression stroke, both the holes are to be closed. Air fuel mixture is now being compressed in compression stroke. So see here, this one is the diagrammatical representation of compression stroke. Inlet hole, sorry, this one is the intake stroke representation. So you will see the compression stroke. This one is the compression stroke. Inlet hole is closed, exhaust hole is also closed, piston is back up. So as like procedure, so air and petrol mixture is to become compressed. Piston is going to the upward. This one is the mixture of air and petrol, which will indicate by the arrow. See here. So third one is the power stroke. It is also called as expansion stroke. During the power stroke, piston is now at the top dead center, that means at the top level. Spark plug ignites. Spark plug which is provided at the top of cylinder, which is used to ignite the air fuel mixture. Spark plug ignite, creating a spark that ignite the compressed air fuel mixture. Okay. So explosion is created and the piston is forced back down. Hence the power stroke is completed. During this stroke, same, both the holes are still closed. So this one is the diagrammatical representation of power stroke. Inlet hole is closed. This red light indicate that inlet hole is closed. This yellow light indicate exhaust hole is also closed. So this red star indicate the spark plug is igniting the air and fuel mixture. See here. So during the stroke, air and petrol mixture, when they start ignite, due to this explosion, our piston is going down forcefully. This is called as the power stroke. So next one is the last one is the exhaust stroke. Exhaust stroke, during the stroke, piston is traveling up, exhaust hole is open, intake hole is closed, exhaust gases being pushed out by piston. So here, this one is the diagramical representation. Inlet hole is closed, exhaust hole is open. Sorry, here is I have written closed, but actually in exhaust hole, exhaust hole is open. Okay, these are the gases which are induced during the power stroke. We have need to transfer it toward the atmosphere during the exhaust stroke. Okay, thank you.